Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to design a killer CD cover together in Canva? Let's jump in. Go to Canva and click Create Design. In the search bar, type CD cover. You'll see various design options including old CD cover, minimalist, and artistic styles. For this tutorial, select the artistic CD cover template to get started. After the cover design loads, several template options appear. Select any template you like or start with a blank design to create from scratch. I'll choose this template. After making your selection, customizable editing options let you change the design to suit your preferences. To change the text, simply select the text box and enter your desired wording. For example, here we'll type Ugly Memories Volume 1. Next, update the font by selecting the font dropdown and choosing a style that fits your design. Once you're completely satisfied with your album cover, it's time to export the final version. Click the Share button at the top right of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose the PNG format for high quality, and if needed, adjust the size settings to your preference. Finally, click Download. Your finished album cover will be saved to your device, ready to use or share anywhere you like. You've just learned how to make a standout CD cover with Canva 2026. Like and subscribe for more easy design tutorials.